God has perfect timing. Just trust Him. This is Mommy Teacher LJ. Welcome to my channel. So today, I'm gonna show you the products that I've used on my video. So these are the products.
So, as a busy mom, I usually do makeup, yung parang alam mo yung paspasan na parang di mo maintindihan kung ano mangyayari sa mukha mo. So, these are the products that I'm using. So, as you can see on the video, ang una ko pong ginawa ay inisprayan ko po yung mukha ko ng this one. This Rose Water Facial Mist from Bath Origins. Yan. Ang ganda po nito kasi nakaka-fresh po siya sa face. So, when you use this one, as in, minsan, hindi mo na kailangan ng makeup. Pag tinatamad ka, kilay na lang. Kasi I don't have my kilay talaga. So, kilay is life. So, usually kilay. And then, that's it. Pero, wag mo tatamaan yung kilay mo with this. Kasi, hindi siya advisable. So, minsan, pwede siyang mag-fade. So, this is refillable. So, after using this, you can refill it with, ito po yung refill niya. Yan. Ito po. Ito po yung refill niya. So, this one, I forgot if this is, I don't know, 800 plus or 700 plus. Yan po yung huli ko pang punta sa MOA branch nila. Claim ko po siya. So, ang tagal na po nun. Siguro mga first week of March. Yan. So, this one, yan. So, binigay ko to sa kanila. So, binili ko siyang ganito and binili ko siyang ganito. So, may less 50. I think it's less 50. I think nag-online, ano pa rin sila. Yan. So, Bath Origin. So, after spraying, sa video makikita nyo, ang una kong nilagay is this one. Makabit tinted moisture stick cocoa kind collective. So from Healthy Options. Ayan, maganda siya. Yan. So let me show you what's inside. Yan, it's made of olive oil, beet, maca, and bee wax. So ganyan po yung itsura niya sa loob. It says pwede daw to sa lips and sa cheeks. So as you see on the video that I just put maybe dalawang swipe, pwede na. So this is, maganda po siya, nakaka-moisture po siya. I think, I forgot the price, sorry. Next on the video, I put this one. This is from K Palette. I think it's from K Palette, yes. It's K Palette Lasting Cheek Tint, and in the shade of number 3. I forgot. Siyo, lumang-luma. So this is one of my favorite shades po. So ito po yung I think mas nagagamit ko. So yan. Nice po siya. Ayan, may salamin pa po siya sa loob. Yan. So, nakikita niyo yung vanity face ko. Yan. So, next time, share ko po pag ready na ako. Makalat po siya. Sorry. So, yan. Namiss ko na po mag-makeup. So, since we're staying at home, maka-expire na po ang ating mga, hopefully not. So, ayan. So, the next, ang nilagay ko po ay, I think, this one? Next on my video, this is from Happy Organics. I bought this from, what do you call that store? Pop Culture sa may Trinoma. Yes, 300 plus ata siya. Maganda siya. So, meron siyang talc-free daw siya. Ayan. So, wala siya nakalagay what's inside, pero organic daw siya. Maganda siya sa face. Light lang po siya. Parang nakaka-fresh din siya, katulad nitong rose water. Sabi nila, lahat ng may rose, good sa skin, tsaka nakaka-fresh. So, let's see what's inside. So, let's open it. Ayan, meron po siyang, meron siyang sponge. Sorry, hindi ko pa nalalabhan. So, ganyan po. Ayan, as you see, yung shade po niya, if you want to see the shade, wait a minute. So, ganyan po yung itsura ng powder. And pag nilagay sa skin, parang baby powder lang siya. Ayan po. As you see, pag blend mo siya, parang wala lang. Ayan. So, a while ago, ito pala yung shade ng blush on. I forgot to let you see. So, this is the shade of the blush on. Yan. So, pag blend mo siya, blendable pa siya. Maganda siya. Ayan. I forgot to let you see. Sorry. Ayan. So, next, yung ating lipstick. Ayan. Lipstick is from Sunny's Face in the shade of 143 Fluff Matte. Ayan. Yan. So, Sunny's Face. So, this is the shade. Yan. Yan po ang shade niya. So, pag light, so, pwede nyo darken. Ito, dark. Yan. So, as you see, that's the shade of 143 by Sunny's Face. And the next, ang ginamit ko po sa video na makikita nyo is this one. This one is the eyeshadow that I'm using. Very nude po siya. So, all of the, I think, lahat naman ng mamshi ay mahilig sa nude. So, eyeshadow, parang hindi po masyadong shocking. So, ito po is from Into It. Yan. So, hindi pa naman siya ma-expire. 2023. I think magagamit ko pa naman to. So, meron po siyang 6 shade. So, may highlighter, meron pang smoky eye. So, bahala ka na. Sorry, I'm not too expert when it comes to makeup. Kasi nga po, wala lang. I'm just sharing what I'm using. Yan. So, use. Tapos, ito naman po, K Palette. Yan. So, this one is really my best friend. Yan. Best friend ko po talaga tong kilay. So, wala po talaga akong kilay. Napakanipis po niya. So, I use this. I don't retouch anymore for the whole day. Mabasa lang siya ng water. Okay lang. I think pag something na may panglinis sa mukha or masabunan mo siya, mag-fade na siya. So, maganda rin to kasi you don't need to retouch. Yan. So, maganda po siya. Yan. Very light lang yung color. So, pag dinarken mo siya, ganyan pong itsura. This one is number 1. So, I think there are, I'm not sure if there are 4 or 3 shades of it. This is number 1. This is the very, the lightest color of their, 24-hour real lasting eyebrow. Yan. Yan. So, nakita niyo po sa video, ginamitan ko po siya ng brush. So, this is the brush. Yan. So, this is it helps you to adjust the color. Kunyari, na-darken nyo siya. Pwede nyo po itong pang blend yung brush na to. So, para sa akin, it's very helpful. Ayan. Ayan. Free lang po to. I didn't buy. So, free po siya sa Revlon. I don't remember kung ba't ako nagkaroon ng free na ganito. So, this brush is very helpful. So, pag ito pwede sa pilik mata, ayan. So, ayan. So, these are the things that I'm using when, yan, nagmamadali ako. Yan yung mga usual na ginagamit ko. Itong mga to. So, hope you like it. I want to share another product from Bath Origins. To. This is one of my favorite from them. Ang bango rin po nito. Super bango. Ang linis po niya. Clean nga po ang pangalan. So, mabango rin po siya. Pwede po rin, since it's, Bath Origins, organic siya, so pwede rin daw to sa mga baby. So, ginagamit ko rin siya sa sons ko. So, ni-spray ko sa hair nila, bango po siya, lalo na pag napawisan. So, yan. So, these are the things. So, ito po yung vanity ko. Yan ang kalat niya. So, I will not share it anymore. So, yan. Next time na lang po. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And, God bless us all.